This is the unboxing and review of the Lifelong's LLIC20 induction cooktop, which makes your cooking safe and hassle-free. Lifelong is a premium and reliable Indian brand which offers you 1 year of warranty of this product, Inferno induction cooktop of 1400 watt. This item is equipped with convenience and safety features such as safety sensor, anti-skid fit, pan sensor technology, and also comes with 7 preset cooking mode. Besides these premium features, it also comes with LED display, soft touch buttons and auto cool function. Other side of the box pack, the MRP of the product has been written. This is written here 4300, but I have got this product only at 1099 from Flipkart. Now without wasting time, let's open the box pack to get the product, that is induction cooktop. This is the top view of the induction cooktop, attached with 3-pin plug with sufficient wire length. This is the front panel of the cooktop with soft touch buttons. Actually these buttons are, you have to press, this is not a touch buttons. There are several buttons are there, I will come one by one. Now see the pre-time button, current voltage button and down button, 7 preset menu button. I will come each and every button one by one after switching on the product. Now come to the back side of the cooktop. It is black in color and there is a fan. This fan provides the auto cool function of this cooktop. These are the side grooves for air ventilation. This is 6-month extended warranty card. How to enable this one? I have made one video. Just click on the I button and watch the video. This is the documentation about this product. If you want to know about this product, then you have to go through this booklet very carefully. Each and everything is written in this booklet about this product. Now let us switch on the product. Already I have connected the cooktop with the main switch. Already switched on the main board and it is showing the 4 dash line, that means already power is there. Now we will switch on by pressing the on off button. You can see here on is showing on the display board. That means the device is now in switched on condition. Now the display is showing error E0, one type of error, that means we have not kept any utensils on the cooktop. This is known as the pan sensor technology. That means unless and until you keep any utensils on this, it will not start working. Now sensor senses pan is on the cooktop, so it starts working automatically and showing the temperature 270 degree. Automatically activated the fast preset cooking mode, that is the quick fry. If you want to change this one, press the function button and it will goes to the next preset mode, that is the roti dosa. To increase the preset temperature, press the up button. To decrease the preset temperature, press the down button. Repeated pressing on the down button, the temperature decreases by 30 degree for each step. For going to the next menu, press the function button and it automatically goes to the next preset menu, that is water. This is showing preset time for water. To change time, press pre-time button, then up down button for increasing or decreasing time by 15 or 1 minute. 15 minutes for long pressing and 1 minute for short pressing. For going to next menu, press the function button and it automatically enters the next menu, that is soup menu, and showing the power. And if you want to decrease the power, press the down button. Next menu is the milk. Preset temperature is 80 degree. Preset time showing 20 minutes. Next menu, rice menu, and preset power is 1200 watt and preset time is 30 minutes. Last preset menu is a pressure cook menu. Preset power 1000 watt. Increasing the power by pressing the up button. Decreasing power by pressing the down button. Now I will show you the auto start off feature of this cooktop. You can see here no utensils are there. So it is sensing by E0 error, that means no utensils are there. So now it automatically goes to the sleep mode. You see it is showing by the 4 bar in the display board. That means device switched off automatically. So if you want to again switch it on, press on the on off button. Don't touch the cooktop after switched off the device because residual heat is there. Fan will decrease the residual heat by enabling auto cool function. Now see what is boiling in this vessel. Thank you for watching my video. If you think video is helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you.